it.
Is that?
Everything that's part of my life that's prepared
No,
me for
it looks like
We
it.
know her.
Yeah, from where?
She got voted off something.
Yeah, the something show. I don't know if it's sorry.
No, I just want to hear it.
Ooh.
Ew. Oh. Gee. Oh. Even worse. Where the fuck did that
Oh,
ugly stick
she
go?
made it.
Oh, she
Oh,
fixed her.
shaved
Oh my
head. Oh.
God. Must be a lesbian.
Oh, stop it. You're so What does that mean?
Look at it. Still over her arms.
You laughed,
Cover up.
and it was okay to say she got smacked in the face with the board.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fucking gross, though.
She sucks. too.
Look at that. What the fuck is that? Carrots on her eyes or some shit? What the fuck is that? That is fucking stupid. I want to see her at 95. That fucking thing hanging from her. It'll be down at her fucking elbow.
Ah! I love that song.
They were gonna booby bump,
Booby bump.
You're the one I love.
booby bump.
What? Did she look in the mirror? You should see her fucking head that in the meat slicer.
You fuck this song.
What? You want to bet she's number one?
If my arm was too big, you put the whole state of Texas on it.
That whole fucking map of the USA on it. Give me a fucking break. The shaved head is. What? Do you see her? You see her shaved head? That's-
Yes, I saw it, Ed.
I don't think she has a right side of her mirror. I don't think she sees what she looks like. Come on. Look how pretty her hair is on that side. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Trying to tune you out.
Honey, I got something to say. Honey, I said something. Honey, I want to say something. Honey, want to hear something?
What?
Honey, let me tell you something. Honey.
Yeah, she don't have the right side of the mirror. I heard it.